Guys, in today's video we are going to see about all-in-one stapler. So welcome to our channel Schoolmate. So we will get into the video, and before getting into the video we will see how much it is. 105, and it is made in India. So we will see in this video it is worth for 105 or not. 5 kind of features in it. First feature is stapling, and I will insert stapler. Now I'm going to insert stapler pin in it. So now I will tell you guys how to insert this thing. Just we have to drag it like this, and in the center we have to keep the pin. Just we have to leave it. It's very tight. And now I have inserted the pin, and the very important thing is about we have to pull this metal point like this. So why we have to pull it down means the sharp edge will be cutting it and coming down here. It's very tight. It's because it's very new, so it's very tight. Here the point will be coming. So now I will staple it and show you. So here in this edge I'm going to insert it. Yeah, it's very perfectly it has stapled in it. Now we have seen the first thing, stapling, and next is punching machine here. So when we are punching it, it's very important we have to close it, because when we are punching, the stapler pin will be wasted here and the pin will be kept here. So taking the paper, it's very tight to open it. It cut it very clearly. And the third thing is like this is stapler remover here, this point. So now we will see it's removing the stapler or not. It's very harsh to open it. I think it's plastic, so it's not coming out, and this is very, I think so we have to try by this side, and I will try by this side. Oh, it's not coming out. It's not coming out, guys. So this, I think so it's plastic, so it's not coming. If it is metal means confirm it will come, but it's very thick plastic. It's finished with a nice plastic coating. And the fifth thing is a blade, envelope opener, or we can cut, if you want we can cut a paper also. How to use this means here in this edge we have to keep it, and we have to just, it is coming 80 degree, till 80 degree it is coming, and just like this you have to catch this. Yeah, but it's not coming. It's very safety for our hands. It's not cutting it properly. No, it's not coming properly. So just like this. So it's not cutting it. It's very harsh. It's not cutting. And the stapler removing and this envelope opener is too bad, I think so, because it's not cutting the paper. I think so it will be cutting only the envelope. No, it's not cutting it. So I will see like this. No, in this paper put it is here envelope opener. Yeah, this is working. We have to keep it in the correct position. So and it's little stucking. This is okay for envelope opening. It's very useful for us, because for 105 we are getting this 5. It's very useful for us. If you like this video, please like the video, share the video, comment the video, and if next what video you want, please comment it and I will unbox it and I will put a new video. Please subscribe for my channel and click the bell button. So when you click the bell button, all the videos will be notified for you. So next video I will see you all guys. Bye bye.